most of us are aware of the history of Palestine. Hitler incinerated 6 million Jews. It was a Holocaust. Many of these Jews, they took shelter in Palestine. And our Muslim brothers in Palestine, they welcomed them with open hearts. They welcomed their cousins, the Jews, with open hearts. Come and take shelter in our home. They welcomed them. But what happened? Many years later, these same people who were welcomed by the Muslim brothers in Palestine, they take them out of their own home. They occupy their home. And when the Muslim brothers are crying, please give our home back, they are calling them as terrorists. And this is common. You see this happening many places in the world.